priority vlog ako. Yan. So, si Maria, yung previous reservations manager ng Sanctuary Cove. Ang pinalit niya, Pilipino pa rin. So, si Maria ang Sanctuary Cove. Tapos, lumipat si Maria with Iman. Tapos, nag-apply ako. Yun, ako yung pinalit. So, tinaas pa rin natin ang bandera ng Pilipinas. Tayo lang ang Pilipino. So, it's really, really, really nice property. Minsan nga lang, you know, when you're working here, you forget how beautiful the property is. Kasi nandun ko na sa loob ng office. Pero, you know, when I have someone like you guys na tinutur ko, masarap siya, nire-refresh mo yung sarili mo na you're actually working in a very nice company and very, very, very nice property too. So, tutur ko na kayo. Ito yung popular na The Village. This is what they normally say, like, oh, there is The Village right there. Hindi pa tayo nakapag-picture pala. Yung gym is all the way there, kaya kailangan pa ng shuttle talaga papunta ng gym.
Paano pag hindi kayo marunong mag-drive ito?
Ay, hindi kayo, merong laging naka-assign. So, magre-request lang kayo by phone. Like,
Takbo na lang ako yung mag-gym.
mag-gym. Gusto mo ba mag-gym?
Oo, takbo lang ako.
Tatakbo ka, pwede ka tumakbo dyan.
Oo, dyan.
Walang problema. So, ito yung what we call like the Marine Village. So, kapag may mga guests na, sasabihin nila, meron bang nearest store na pwede silang may bilhin or whatever, yan yung IGA. So, yung IGA sa atin is parang 7-Eleven din, pero medyo may pagkasosi at mahal. Kasi, syempre, you're in the middle of yan. Tapos, meron din kaming post office dito. So, yan yung, dito, very traditional pa ang mga post office. So, talagang, ang Australia Post, yan yung parang FedEx LBC natin. Yan yun. So, meron, halos lahat kompleto tong Marine Village. So, yan, mga restaurants yan. Tapos, meron din kaming medical clinic dyan in case. And then, some chemist. So, like Mercury Drug. Watson's, ganyan, or Mercury Drug. Pero pag sabi nilang, do you have chemist? Kasi sa atin, just ko, nakalaloka ako nung